It's amazing. Start by cutting that zucchini. Extra virgin olive oil, zucchini. Let's get it a little bit caramelized. Ow! Hit it in a hot pan, don't overcrowd. Do it in batches and just let that flavor come out. Let it sing, let it do its thing. We have our beautiful caramelized zucchini. While the pasta is boiling, I'm gonna finish off our sauce. And then dinner's ready. And then that's it. That's why we love a good simple pasta. Gorgeous. It's a party. Zucchini pasta party. Huh. We're making some sauce. So bright. That little bit of heat from the Urfa and that nutty saltiness from the Parmesan on top. I mean, done. Done. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.